Hello, my name is Phillips, and here's a song. In G, it's basic, but there's an A minor 7. It's basic. Oh, Rick Richards played on this song in the studio about 10 years ago. I took that young thing to dinner, yeah, the one you don't like. We got nothing in common, but she'll do for tonight. 'Cause it gets cold in this big house, yeah, and the winter's coming on. I might need some help trying to weather this storm. Yeah, that's it. Only one word I can't have, only miss what's gone. That guitar you gave me, I lost and pawned. Yeah, am I just like my father? Yeah, am I just like my mom? Laying double drunk, laying double alone. I got some songs about you. Yeah, well, who said that? I think I remember saying this once for care. Well, I know I'm getting skinny, and I know I'm getting pale. Oh, but if I look homeless, well, I've been living in hell. I only want what I can have, only miss what's gone. That guitar you gave me, I lost and pawned, yeah. Am I just like my father? Am I just like my mom? I am double drunk, I am double alone. All right, let me go. Just gonna do rock and roll. And I can't talk to her like I can to you. I can't tell about music or how I'm getting sued. And she just makes me feel older. Oh, it's not the same. I'm starting to see who's the one to blame. I only want what I can't have, I only miss what's gone. That guitar you gave me, I lost and pawned. Am I just like my father? Am I just like my mom? Lying double drunk, lying double alone. Michael O'Connor. Thank you. My name is Kay Phillips. I have one vinyl for sale because I leave more in my car and they get ruined. So.